Good morning, all. Myself Subhro Gupta, as you all know, and this is my new uh, chapter in terms of Excel, and I want my students to let understand the concept of Excel and incorporate the same in their daily routine and synchronize the this Excel also along with their subjects like accounts, mathematics, statistics, and others also. So, what today we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn about bar graphs. But see how the statistics can be a trap to all of you. So welcome to once again to this video number one, and followed it will be video number two, which we will be discussing about how to understand how to make histograms. Okay, so today we are going to make some bar graphs. So have a look. So these are the marks of 30 students and the marks being scored out of 50. Am I clear? So there are two sections, section A and section B, and these are the raw data. And here the raw data means that these are the marks scored by 30 students out of 50. Similar marks being also being taken care of in section B also. So here's the marks interval and number of students. In the next video, we will try to make understand that how these number of students will be calculated all in some fraction of seconds. So our first step, how to make this bar graph. So here I am selecting this one, step one, go to insert, then find out this one, insert column chart and 2D, and here's your chart. So this is our first graph, okay? First chart, in fact. And here also in the second one is for section B also, we are doing the same activity. Selection from 0 to 10 till 6 and go to insert and this one 2D column and have a look. You will find that both the charts are exactly the same, and if you are not finding out the if you are not getting the frequency, then left click and then go to add data label, and see here the data are becoming 95646. Similar activity you can also perform with section A also. So right click and select the data, add data labels, and here also. So both so both section A and section B are resembling the same bar graphs. So what's the difference? The difference is that the trap is in fact not the difference. The trap is that the averages differs by miles. Have a look. So here I'm going to find. So here I'm trying to find the average. So let's delete it and write the formula of average equals average bracket open selection from 1 to last one 11 bracket closed and see the average. And now what is the average over in section B? So here see my this cursor, dancing cursor, equals average and then bracket open selection. So we are selecting these marks and then we're closed, enter. Okay, so what we are seeing, what we are witnessing, I made it yellow 19.53, and here it is, let's make give it another color and blue 25.63. So there's a huge difference in terms of average. But when we are looking only at the chart, we will find that both the charts are absolutely identical to each other. So the learning is that by looking into the charts, never get into the conclusion that both are same. You need to find out, you need to figure out the average, the median, mode, and other parameters which you need to discuss before taking any decisions. Thank you all. Have a nice day.